Today is Monday, October 20th. This is the electronic control module or PCM ECU units for the Cadillac Eldorados. This is the first generation, 1976 through 78, 1608820. Bendix Federal Edition is also available in the High Altitude Edition as well as the California Edition. This is the 1980 module. This is also a 1980 module. You can see the tremendous differences in the design, so they're not interchangeable. 1980 is a one-year only design, not like the 1979 and unlike the 1981. Okay, this is my friend Mike Houston in Easley, South Carolina, his particular unit that he's going to get restored. So these are the different variants of electronic control modules. In my restorations, I do a full board level restoration. That is, each board is checked out entirely. Every solder joint is re-inspected. All the capacitors changed and the EPROMs are ready for insertion in the swapping of the original EPROM with the validation codes of the units. So I provide full board level and comprehensive unit restoration of all my electronic control modules. They're not merely repaired, they're not used, they are full board level restored. And this is just one of the many 75,000 products that I have for the Eldorados from 1967 all the way through 1978. I have over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976 all the way through 1980 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Caddilac steering wheels, all the electronics including the electronic control modules, the climate controllers, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, October 20th. Thank you very kindly.